Hi, are you getting sick of maintaining the house and mowing the lawns all the time? Would you like to sit back and have a nice easy life that you can enjoy while someone else does all the hard work for a very low body corp fee? If you're over 45, I have got the perfect place for you. You can live in a large, spacious 3-bedroom home with 2 bathrooms, and you can have your own private garden to potter around in. You can scoot round the corner to the supermarket, the pharmacy, the doctor, and live independently for as long as you would like to. And the best part, this is an amazing gated community where everyone looks after one another. There's a club rooms with something on every day, whether it's happy hour on a Friday night, craft day or games day, or morning tea. There's always plenty of friends close by, so you'll never ever be lonely. The place is beautifully maintained and looks something like Wisteria Lane when you walk up. It's quiet and peaceful, and you're even allowed a cat or a small dog, so you don't have to leave your beloved friends behind. If you think that this life might be for you, take a virtual open home tour right now of Villa 7. It is a beautiful 3-bedroom home with a modern kitchen, bathroom, and lovely private garden. Simply use the icons in the left-hand corner to navigate between the doll's house, the floor plan, and the measurement versions. Click on the circles to walk through the home.